In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your Facebook Business Account ID in Meta Business Suite. Start by opening Facebook in your browser. Make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to work with. This is important because you want to make sure you are viewing the correct business profile before opening Business Suite. After that, look to the left-hand menu on Facebook and click Meta Business Suite. Give the dashboard a moment to fully load. Depending on your connection and the size of your account, this can take a few seconds. Once the Meta Business Suite dashboard appears, you will be ready to move into the settings area where your page details are stored. Next, go to the bottom of the left navigation menu and click Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your business assets and connected profiles. When the settings page opens, check that the Profiles section is selected. This is where Meta lists the Facebook pages and other connected profiles that are linked to your business setup. Inside the Profiles section, you will see a list of connected pages. Find the Facebook business page that you want to check, and then click on it. This will open a summary view for that specific page. In the Summary panel, look for the Page Info section. This area contains the basic details associated with that Facebook business page. Under Page Info, you will find the page ID displayed on screen. This is the identifier you are looking for. The page ID is the number used for many integrations, setup tasks, and verification processes. Once you find it, copy the page ID and save it wherever you need to use it. If you manage more than one business page, make sure you select the correct one before copying the ID. Each page has its own unique page ID, so it is important to copy the exact number connected to the page you intend to use. That is how you find your Facebook Business Account ID in Meta Business Suite. In this case, the number shown in the Page Info section is the page ID for the business page you selected, and that is typically the value people need for integrations or verification. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.